Okay, so what I've been doing here with this dark and what I'm going to do over here is use the vine charcoal to put a quick shadow area on this tree, on the side of the tree that's not getting hit with light as the sun goes down over the ocean. And what this does is to help define light and dark areas on the painting. I don't always do this, but you can see that I did it up here with the branches. I just filled this in really quick. It's nice because once you start going over it with pastel, it doesn't really seem to affect the surface at all. You can go right over it. It doesn't make the pastel on top of it muddy or darker. It just kind of goes away. But as you're drawing and trying to place where things go in your painting with the vine charcoal, it's super helpful to do sometimes. Just where, you don't have to do it everywhere, but where you might lose lines as you start to paint these tall thin lines, this helps in this situation. And it's just one more great use of the vine charcoal that I found that helps me define my drawing better.